Hello and welcome to the tutorial for encoding your video for Gorilla TV and Juice TV in Final Cut Pro. Okay, first thing we're going to look at is the important things are that the length of your timeline is exactly 4 minutes. So we can check this by going to the last frame of our video and look at this box here, 4 minutes, and also it's the same up in these two boxes up here. Okay, so our video is 4 minutes. The one thing about this timeline though is that we've actually shot this in 16:9. This is the default on most cameras nowadays, and so we need to get this into 4:3, which Juice TV and the Gorilla TV website both require. So we can do that in the encoding process. So the first thing we want to do is go to our last frame at 4 minutes, set an out point. Go to first frame, set an in point, so O for out and the I key for in, and then we want to go up to the file menu, down to export using QuickTime conversion, and we'll give this a name, concentrate for GTV. Cool, and we want to go into the options menu, so we're going to be making a QuickTime movie. Go into the options. We want to change the video settings. We want to make it H.264. We want to set the frame rate to 25 and force that it's keyframes every 24 frames. We want the encoding to be best quality multipass. Now we don't need to worry about this slider here. We'll just set that to whatever, doesn't matter, because we're going to go in and actually manually set the data rate of it. So we want to restrict it to 4,000 kilobits per second, and we go OK. Now we want to go into the size next. The size needs to be 768 by 576 SD, so it's 768 by 576 SD, that setting. Now since we shot this in 16:9, we want to preserve the aspect ratio using the letterbox. So what that's going to do, it's going to bring scale your video down and add black bars above and below into our square frame, so that way we can see everything that we shot. Let's go into the sound setting next, and the format wants to be AAC. The channels wants to be stereo. We're going to change the data rate down to 44.1 and the target bit rate at 128. We can actually change the render settings to best, and we go OK, and that's OK, and then we can just save it, and that'll encode, and will be ready to upload to Gorilla TV and to play on Juice TV. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and good luck with making your pilot.